Hello, children. How are you all? I hope you all are safe at your home. Uh, well, today is the first class of moral science, and we are going to start with chapter number 1. I hope you all have your moral science book with you, heart and mind. Please take out your book and open chapter number 1, which is the influence of friends. Influence of friends. Under this chapter, peer pressure comes. Peer pressures, do you remember this topic we have discussed so many times in the debate? uh, yes, you remember, I know. So peer pressure, we'll start with this chapter. I hope you all have opened your book. So chapter number 1 here, peer pressure refers to the influence that your friends have on you. So peer pressure means, peer means a group of people, group of friends. When they pressurize, pressure refers to the influence that your friends have on you. You want to be in the group. So, you have seen that in your class you have different groups. Four friends are sitting together, three of them are sitting together, and they make a group and they do good activities or the bad activities depending upon the group of friends. Now, it causes you to change your attitude, values, and behavior. Now, this peer pressure changes the attitude of the person. You change your values, that your behavior, as to remain in tune with your friends. To be with your friends, you change everything according to them. It also causes you to change your response towards the world around you. You also change your to respond with the people around you. It is a pressure that affects individual of all the ethnicities. Uh, it This age comes in everybody's life. So the teenage is the age of 13 till it starts from 13 and to 19 years of age. So when you come under this age, it happens with everyone, with the genders and the ages. Now, peer pressure and adolescence. Adolescence refers to your teenage. This is the teenage between 13 to 19 years of age, and in this age it is a period of the physical and psychological development between the childhood and maturity. So from the childhood you start coming into the mature. So during adolescence, the body and mind go through so many complex changes, some of which are very difficult to deal with. So you see, your body also develops. You change your way of thinking. Physical changes comes in your body. The psychological development, physical, the mind also start working in a different way. Now, there are some situations which are very difficult to deal when you come under a peer pressure. So why we are studying this peer pressure topic here, so that you don't come under a peer pressure in your teenage. We are educating you so that it doesn't affect your life. Peer pressure is the hallmark of adolescence. Hallmark is the stamp. Peer pressure is like a stamp that if your peer, a group of friend is doing the same thing, you also start doing it. It is in this period a person is most susceptible to peer pressure. When children enter this period for the first time, they actually become aware about the people around them and realize the importance of perception in their interaction. You start talking about them, you understand the importance when you talk about them in your conversations. Peer conformity is a fashion in young people is more pronounced with respect to style. You change your style, you change your taste, you start eating different types of food, appearance, how do you, your ideology and the values. Peer pressure is commonly associated with adolescent risk taking, as the children tend to involve in risky activities. So children indulge in the risky activities because of the influence of their friends. Girls and boys both face this peer pressure. Sometimes it reflects in a different set of values and priorities. However, girls have significantly higher pressure to conform means fashion, to their groups in the form of choice of dress or speech style. In adolescence, peer pressure can be positive as well as negative. However, the importance of peer pressure and their influence somewhat decline on entering adulthood. Once you come into adulthood, so this peer pressure automatically declines. Once you come into adulthood, you start working somewhere, you don't have time to talk to your friends, then it automatically declines. What are the reasons that causes peer pressure? Majority of the children are influenced by peer pressure because they want uh, to be liked by their friends. They want to fit in. They worry that other children of their group might mock them if they do not move along with the group. So majority of the children under the peer pressure, they want that their friends like them, the way they dress, the way they talk. They worry that other children of the group might mock. They think about that if they don't be a part of the group, then the other children will talk about them. So that is why they move along with the group. Moreover, the curiosity to try something new that others are doing also. If someone is teasing the other person, what you also get that curiosity that you also want to do the same. So as to see what they are doing, what you get by doing this. Influence the children to get affected by peer pressure. So you also come under the peer pressure if you do the same. The idea that everybody is doing it influences some children to leave their better judgment of common sense behind. Everybody know what is good, what is bad, since you are learning moral science and you know all the moral values we have. We need to respect everyone, we need to treat everyone equally. We do not discriminate between the colors and like black, brown, white, and so on. We all know what is the wrong path, what is the right path, so we know where we have to go, we should take which path. We know the difference between good and bad, but still under the peer pressure we start following our friends. Whatever they are doing, we also do in the same way. So this is known as peer pressure, and I told you in the beginning that why you are learning this topic, so that you don't come under a peer pressure. You already get the knowledge about it, that what is a peer pressure, how does it influence the life of a children. So today we have discussed this. In the next class we will see the negative effects of peer pressure and the positive effects of peer pressure. Till then, God bless you all.